Here's a 2012 Chevrolet Malibu. Smart and alluring, it'll impress you with its safety measures, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. It comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM stereo radio, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Kelley Blue Book proclaims Chevrolet Malibu has bolted from the middle of the road contender straight to the top of the mid-size sedan game. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.